The Philippine Department of Justice is set to begin the preliminary investigation against several individuals implicated in the flood control scandal, aiming to complete the hearings within just 1 month. Here's a report from Margot Gonzalez.
State witness.
This November, the Department of Justice or DOJ prosecutors will begin the preliminary investigation into the flood control scandal after being deputized by the Office of the Ombudsman. According to DOJ spokesperson Attorney Polo Martinez, they will first issue subpoenas to the respondents whose names he chose not to disclose. The preliminary investigation will focus on 5 ghost projects, which he also did not make public to avoid preempting the procedures. The agency is also aiming to complete the hearings within just 1 month before filing the case in court.
So we're working within a month period. Yun ang pinakamabilis, no? 1 month period for us to conduct PI and then conclude it. I cannot guarantee na matatapos in 1 month, but we are endeavoring, tinatrabaho po namin na magawa ng mabilis na 1 month.
The preliminary investigation is also based on the complaints filed with the National Bureau of Investigation with the DOJ. The agency has also created a task force regarding the anomaly, which they call the Public Works and Bid Rigging Task Force.
So we will assess the evidence. Susuriin po namin ang ebidensya. We will see if there is enough grounds to proceed to trial.
Meanwhile, the DOJ clarified that no elective officials have been issued a freeze order yet, and only 6 personnel from the DPWH have so far received such an order. The request of the Anti-Money Laundering Council or AMLA for the government officials implicated in the anomaly is still pending.
Bakit po kaya wala pa?
Well, kasi
freeze order against them?
Yes, ma'am. So, proseso po kasi ito eh. Diba, first, the NBI refers the cases to the AMLC or the Anti-Money Laundering Council. It is the Anti-Money Laundering Council which will file the applications for freeze order with the Court of Appeals. The AMLC will do this through the OSG or yung Office of the Solicitor General as the principal legal defender of the Republic. Ngayon, syempre, the AMLC itself will have to conduct investigations. Ang AMLC po kailangan po mag-imbestiga muna, makita may grounds for the application of freeze order, ilalahad ang grounds and ang mga basis doon sa application nila, ipipresenta sa Court of Appeals. Ang Court of Appeals magsasabi, okay, there is merit, we can issue the freeze order. Either that or they will not.
It will be recalled that the AMLA earlier stated that the accounts of former DPWH officials and contractors have been issued freeze orders. According to AMLA Executive Director Matthew David, they have frozen bank accounts amounting to 5.2 billion pesos. For God and beloved Philippines, this has been Margot Gonzalez, SMNI News.